Hi everyone, I just received my Lenskart Blu-rays computer classes and I'm going to unbox it right now for you and review it. And I'm also eating banana chips. TMI, but important information. It came like this. Let me open it. I'm not gonna show you other side because this side had address and this is like this, and it is very lightweight actually, so I'm just tearing it up. I just came back from office, by the way, and I came home and I saw this. Their delivery time is actually really good. Like, I ordered this yesterday only on app and it came today. Isn't it too fast? Like, they told me that it would be till 6th or 7th, and today is 5th. Like, super fast. The box is really aesthetic in color. Do more, be more. That is an inspiring quote. Lenskart logo. It is very lightweight. Ooh, it has this box in it, and I ordered the transparent frames, but they also had blue, black, and many other different kinds of frames. I didn't even change the clothes after coming from office, so I'm just unboxing it right away. It has this cleaning cloth, I guess. It's in blue color. The box is like this, designer, and the main character, MVP. I ordered transparent glasses because I was not sure how am I gonna look in other frames, and they also had this 3D testing. Wait a second, may have banana chips. I'm very hungry right now. So they also have, when you click your selfie and they show you how you look if you would wear it. I tried it, but I still don't know how I would look in real life. Ta-da! Am I looking very padaku, geeky, nerd? I'm gonna be like this in office, and because I sit for so long in front of screen, I think this would help me in protecting my eyes. I saw many YouTube videos and they all were like, it doesn't work. Like, all the doctors were like, it doesn't really work. But then I saw comment section and people like, they tried using it and it worked for them and it helped them. Like, many comments in all the different YouTube videos. So I thought that I should invest in my health and in my eyes, and it looks good as well. And even if it doesn't work, it's fashion accessory, but I know it will work. Like anything, like, I'm blocking the rays. How can it not work? It's just same thing as sunglasses blocking UV rays. Like, would you not wear sunglasses if it doesn't block it? Anyways, I think it's personal preferences. This is how I look. And do you want to see my outfit? I know you don't want to, but I'm finding a clean space too. Oh, my mess. These are my pants. This is my shirt. My pants are very comfy. I think this all is fine. My pants are very comfy for office. Yeah, so this was it. Bye bye.